By now, we have done an awful lot of customizations in the macOS department, but why didn't any of you tell me that all this time we could actually customize our macOS cursor? This is all your fault. Better late than never, right? I roamed the web and then I found Mousecape, the app for customizing macOS cursors. Well, the app wasn't as promising as I initially thought it was going to be. Basically, Mousecape works with something called a .cape file. That's like the file that contains all the presets for all the states your cursor can be, whether you are selecting a link or you are dragging the document or you are resizing a window. So I found some random samples of .cape files on the internet, and then I pushed them all to my Mac with no regard for potential viruses. That's it, living life on the edge. So basically I discovered that after trying them out, mostly it was the one for resizing, shrinking the window, or resizing the sidebar, or hovering over a link. Those are the ones that kept changing. For some reason, the default state of the macOS cursor refused to change. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but I have never messed with .cape files. Neither do I even have any idea how to edit them or even how to create one by myself. Right now, this all looks like some kind of black magic. But I would say this, it does work, which means we have the certainty already that we can actually customize our macOS cursor. I did this on macOS 26. Tomorrow is macOS 27. Tune in. Yeah, I'm going to be crashing my Mac to show you guys what's in there. Anyways, I want you guys to check the app and, figure it out. Yeah, I'm giving the work to you. Download the app and figure out how I can customize the default states of the macOS cursor, not just the other states. I am more concerned about the default states.